Hello viewers, today I have one more video lesson about how to make this 3D shaped buildings, which I have here. One story, two-story and three-story buildings. Essentially, how to make this composition. So I have here four views. A top view. How to make this building composition from shapes. Here the front view, and this all starts from this simple nice shape. So next we can go gradually and we can see how we can do this composition, maybe with lighting or adding some background as well. So if you would be interesting, let's start from this simple nice shape. So you see, I have only this nice shape, which is just like a linear drawing. If I see from 3D view, see it's just flat shape. Okay, in order to make 3D meshing, I will use meshing model tool of Vectorworks to create this 3D composition, and let's start from meshing model tool. Go to building shell, not building shell but side plan, set tool, and choose this one, meshing model tool. This first mode, it's alright, and let's start draw according to this shape the lines. And here I need to click twice, and you see the dialog appears, in which I can add the height and floor count. I will start from one floor type here 1, and the height I will type, let's say, 3, and here will be the little bit confusion, I suppose. And if I click OK, and I will see it on 3D, you see my shape is not appropriate height. Click yes to save. How I can fix it? So usually it's very simple. I just go to units and set up the right units. Go to File, Document Settings and Units. For the units, I need to choose, for this massing modeling, I suppose I choose the meters. Decimal, it's alright. Decimal precision, I would say I will choose this one and press OK. So now, when the units already set up, I can go to this objecting for massing modeling and see the height is 0, which is not good. The height I will say, will type 3.0, floor 1, OK, and as you can see, immediately I already have one floor building. So we can continue our lesson, and we need to create not one but click yes to save. We need to create 3 shapes, which is different. This one is 1 floor, 2 floor shape, and 3 kind of shapes. So how can we do this? I suppose we can delete this one to make more space. Click no, and we can make new document. Let's make new document. Okay, so a little bit simple explanation about this space. Here we have the orientation page boundary, which we can set up, and we can rotate this going to page setup, print setup, and landscape choose, click OK and OK. So now we have the better orientation. See here the center cross, and let's make the background or the grass something like this. You can see I have the ground, which would be my grass. Here I have already 3 shapes, but not yet composed in one entire composition. Okay, let's return back to this new document. Simply go to this rectangle tool and draw rectangle, and here at attributes let's choose an appropriate color. Should be this sweet grass, should be good for us. Click OK. So we have our grass. One more thing we can adjust. Select and go to opacity and set up opacity about, let's say 55 should be good, and click preview and click OK. And if I go to this I can here have the good orientation, but later I will change and will make this grass background more bigger. I will explain later why. But let's make one more thing. Go to top view and if I select this building and on my keyboard I press Ctrl A and C and jump to this new document, I will press Ctrl V. So you see here our building, but this grass at scale is too small. So let's fix it. Okay, so let's continue to make other more this building shapes. This is just one floor shape, but we need Here you can see we need 3, and later we need to, from this different floors shapes, make the composition. You see, here I have 3 sizes of shapes: 1 floor, 2 floor, and 3 floor. Okay, let's jump back to this new document. First of all, what I need to do, I need to make more spaces, more grass space from these shapes. Here I have only 1 building, but I need the place for 3 shapes. How I can do this? Simply click, and now I can grab this control point, click and drag. Okay, click and drag, click again, click and drag and click. When you see this arrow appears, you can with a control point click and drag. Okay, little bit, let's make little bit wider, not so much. Little bit bigger and little bit wider. So now I have enough space for my shapes. One more important thing what I need to mention to you is when I made this grass shape, I need to right click with mouse and lock this. If it's not locked, I will face problems later on. Okay, so in 3D you see we have only 1 shape, but I need 3 shapes. And how I can make 2 floors and 3 floors building shapes. If I select the same 1 floor shape and go right here to height, let's make the height about 5.0, and at this floor count let's write 2, and if I go to front view, you can see now I have 2 floors. Very simple. Jump back to top floor, okay, and this, okay, say save. This 2 floor building selected. Let's repeat again. Ctrl C, jump to new document and press Ctrl V on keyboard. So as you can see, we have the second shape, which should be 2 times higher. Yes, this is 2-floor building. Okay, let's set up top/floor. Go back to first and right isometric, and at this time, with this building selected, very simple, we can add the height. Let's say we can add 7 meters, 0.0, and at floor count we can add, instead we can add 3 floors. 3 floors. Hit enter, and as you can see clearly we have 3-floor building. Let's copy this very fast. Ctrl C, jump to new document, Ctrl V, and we have 3 buildings. Let's see from isometric view. Yes, really, this is truth. We have 3 different heights buildings. So it would be the crucial explanation or demonstration, if you like, how to make composition of this 3 building. One composition, let's say, of residential house building from these 3 different heights buildings. In order to do that, I suppose I can use some any different tools, for example the rotate tool or the mirror tool, or even more tools. But let's start from this composition, what I want to make. As you can see, let's say yes, let's say this composition. Let's multi-view panel switch off this composition. I create this 3-floor plan in the center, this on the left side and this on the right side. So you got an idea. Here I did some angles explanation. but I suppose I will leave it explanation for the last videos. Okay, let's make composition from this three types and heights buildings. So this three floors building should be at the center. Let's see how we can do this. This is 3. If I drag this here and if I take this rotate tool, simply click second time and rotate, press shift and rotate and click. Okay, press select and let's move this building somewhere here. Okay, see in 3D how it looks like. Not bad. So now we can move these two floors building somewhere here, to this corner. Go to top plan view and take this and move something like that. Okay, let's align this grass shape by going to right click and first of all unlock, and now we can grab this point, okay, and grab this control point and make like this. Okay, so seems not bad. Let's see in 3D what we have. So as you can see, we have composition, not yet perfect aligned, but I suppose I can align more better and more to see more perfection, if you like. And for now, one last thing what I would like to show you. If I press here multiple view panel, You see, I can see from different views. If I click and select and go to front view to fit and select open geolocation, see, can see how it looks from top, from front view. This one, let's say we can see how it looks from isometric view. Let's go to normal perspective and open geolocation and fit to page. You see? So I suppose that's it for today. Thanks for watching, and until next time.